Hi folks, I'm Jerry Gorchels with PanAmerican Seed Company. I'm one of the regional account managers for PanAmerican, and I've been here a long time. I've seen many products come down through the pipelines through all the years that I've been here, but one of the most exciting products that I've seen is Angelonia. First, we came out with Angelonia from the vegetative cutting form, and then a few years ago, PanAmerican Seed came out with the seed form of Angelonia. These can be seen in the Serena series, which is more compact, and then the Serena series that actually has more height to it itself. Both series have an excellent color selection. The basal branching is wonderful on them, but I think the most unique part about it is that they're basically indestructible in the landscape. They love it hot, they love it dry, they pair up very nicely with other summer survivors, and you can really take advantage of their durability, whether it be in the landscape or in mixed containers. Also, one other thing is that they are claiming to be deer resistant. Deer don't seem to like the smell of them. Where we can enjoy them in heavy deer population areas, it works out very nice. So that is Angelonia from PanAmerican Seed, the Serena series and the Serenita series. Get them today and enjoy them.